Today, we're diving into 3 must-try Montessori activities that will not only keep your little eaters engaged, but also teach them valuable life skills. Let's get started. Activity 1, cleaning with care. Provide your 4 to 6-year-old with a creamer, bowl, sponge, and towel. Let them embark on a cleaning adventure. But here's the magic. It's not just about cleaning. Equally important is teaching your child to put things away once they're done. Activity 2, mirror polishing. Hand your little leader a spray bottle filled with vinegar and water, along with cotton swabs to reach those tricky corners and a towel to give the mirror a sparkling finish. Activity 3, the art of cleanup. Show your child how to clean up spills with a sponge. These Montessori activities are about nurturing independence, responsibility, and the confidence to contribute positively to society.